going to learn about the effects for pre-received income, income receivable, prepaid expense and outstanding expense. First is when they are given in trial balance. At that time it will have one effect. Like here in trial balance is given prepaid expense of rupees 1000, outstanding income of rupees 5000, pre-received income of rupees 2000 and outstanding expense of rupees 1600. So here all this will be having one effect. Prepaid expense will be recorded balance sheet asset side, outstanding income balance sheet asset side, pre-received income that is our liability, so it will be recorded in balance sheet liability side, outstanding expense that is amount payable, so again balance sheet liability side. Now second is when these all are given in adjustment. Prepaid expense, it will be having two effects. First is P&L account debit side less from expense, second effect will be balance sheet asset side. Next is outstanding expense, that is unpaid expense. First effect will be P&L account debit side added to expense, second will be balance sheet liability side. Third is pre-received income, that is income received in advance. So first effect will be P&L account credit side less from income and second effect will be balance sheet liability side. Next is outstanding income, that is income not received. So first effect will be P&L account credit side add to income, second effect will be balance sheet asset side. Thank you.